Welcome to the Common Regular Expression Patterns Library. This is all about building your personal collection of useful regular expression patterns. These are essential patterns for everyday programming tasks. In this section, we will explore email validation patterns. Here's a basic email pattern, which is a regular expression that validates most common email formats. It checks for alphanumeric characters, dots, underscores, percentage symbols, plus signs, and hyphens before the @ symbol, followed by alphanumeric characters, dots, and hyphens for the domain, and a top-level domain of at least 2 characters. The pattern is as follows: open square bracket, lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z 0 to 9 dot underscore percentage plus hyphen close square bracket plus symbol @ symbol open square bracket, lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z 0 to 9 hyphen close square bracket plus symbol backslash dot open square bracket, lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, close square bracket, curly bracket open 2 comma, close curly bracket dollar symbol. Next, let's look at phone number patterns. Here are a couple of useful regular expressions for validating phone numbers. The first one is for United States phone numbers. This pattern matches phone numbers in the format of 3 digits, optionally enclosed in parentheses, followed by an optional hyphen, dot, or space, then 3 digits, followed by an optional hyphen, dot, or space, and finally 4 digits. The pattern is as follows: backslash open parenthesis question mark open parenthesis 0 to 9 curly bracket open 3 close parenthesis question mark backslash close parenthesis open square bracket hyphen backslash dot space close square bracket question mark open parenthesis 0 to 9 curly bracket open 3 close parenthesis open square bracket hyphen backslash dot space close square bracket question mark open parenthesis 0 to 9 curly bracket open for close parenthesis dollar symbol. The second one is for the international format. This pattern matches an optional plus sign, followed by a digit from 1 to 9, and then 1 to 14 digits. The pattern is as follows: backslash plus question mark open square bracket 1 to 9 close square bracket backslash lowercase d curly bracket open 1 comma 14 close curly bracket dollar symbol. Now let's discuss Uniform Resource Locator, that is URL patterns. Here's a basic URL validation, regular expression pattern. This pattern matches Hypertext Transfer Protocol and Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure URLs with basic validation for proper structure. The pattern is as follows: lowercase http lowercase s question mark colon backslash forward slash open square bracket backslash lowercase s forward slash backslash dot question mark number sign close square bracket backslash dot open square bracket backslash lowercase s close square bracket, asterisk symbol dollar symbol. In this section, we'll explore password validation patterns. Here are a couple of regular expressions for validating passwords. The first one is for a strong password. This pattern requires at least 8 characters, 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, 1 digit, and 1 special character. The pattern is as follows: open parenthesis question mark equals dot asterisk symbol open square bracket lowercase a to z close square bracket close parenthesis open parenthesis question mark equals dot asterisk symbol open square bracket uppercase a to z close square bracket close parenthesis open parenthesis question mark equals dot asterisk symbol backslash lowercase d close parenthesis open parenthesis question mark equals dot asterisk symbol open square bracket @ symbol dollar symbol exclamation mark percentage symbol asterisk symbol question mark ampersand close square bracket close parenthesis open square bracket uppercase a to z lowercase a to z backslash lowercase d @ symbol dollar symbol exclamation mark percentage symbol asterisk symbol question mark ampersand close square bracket curly bracket open 8 comma close curly bracket dollar symbol. The second one is for a medium complexity password. This pattern requires at least 6 characters, 1 letter, and 1 digit. The pattern is as follows: open parenthesis question mark equals dot asterisk symbol, open square bracket, uppercase A to Z, lowercase a to Z, close square bracket, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, question mark, equals dot, asterisk symbol, backslash, lowercase d, close parenthesis, open square bracket, uppercase A to Z, lowercase a to Z, backslash, lowercase d, close square bracket, curly bracket open, 6 comma, close curly bracket, dollar symbol. Now let's explore text extraction patterns. Here are a couple of regular expressions for extracting text. The first one extracts words. This pattern extracts whole words consisting of letters only. The pattern is as follows: backslash, lowercase b, open square bracket, uppercase A to Z, lowercase a to Z, close square bracket, plus symbol, backslash, lowercase b. The second one extracts numbers. This pattern extracts numbers, including decimal numbers. The pattern is as follows: backslash, lowercase d, plus symbol, open parenthesis, backslash, dot, backslash, lowercase d, plus symbol, close parenthesis, question mark. Now let's explore date and time patterns. Here are a couple of regular expressions for validating dates and times. The first one is for the date in month, day, year format. This pattern validates dates in the month, day, year format. The pattern is as follows: caret symbol, open parenthesis, 0, open square bracket, 1 to 9, close square bracket, pipe symbol, 1, open square bracket, 0, 1, 2, close square bracket, close parenthesis, open square bracket, hyphen space, // backslash, dot, close square bracket, open parenthesis, 0, open square bracket, 1 to 9, close square bracket, pipe symbol, 1, 2, open square bracket, 0 to 9, close square bracket, pipe symbol, 3, open square bracket, 0, 1, close square bracket, close parenthesis, open square bracket, hyphen space, // backslash, dot, close square bracket, open parenthesis, 1, 9, pipe symbol, 2, 0, close parenthesis, backslash, lowercase d, backslash, lowercase d, dollar symbol. The second one is for the time in hour, minute format. This pattern validates times in the hour, minute format. The pattern is as follows: caret symbol, open parenthesis, open square bracket, 0, 1, close square bracket, question mark, open square bracket, 0 to 9, close square bracket, pipe symbol, 2, open square bracket, 0 to 3, close square bracket, close parenthesis, open square bracket, 0 to 5, close square bracket, open square bracket, 0 to 9, close square bracket, dollar symbol. Now let's talk about building your personal regular expression library. Here are some best practices to follow. First, document each pattern with comments. Second, test patterns with multiple examples. Third, keep patterns simple and readable. And fourth, organize by category or use case. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.